Hi everybody, welcome to today's webinar. I'm Jim Stahoviak, the Associate Director of the Iowa Center for Assistive Technology Education and Research, better known as ICATER, here at the College of Education at the University of Iowa. Today we're going to continue our app webinar series as we're winding down to the end of the semester here. We're going to look at something called AudioNotebook. You can see AudioNotebook right here. Don't confuse this with AudioNote. This is AudioNotebook. This retails for about $5 in the App Store. This is another tool that can be used for helping somebody that might struggle with note-taking, struggle with writing down everything they see on a chalkboard or on a whiteboard. This is what this tool is going to look like. It is a very, very simple tool to use. Basically what it does is it allows you to type notes and it allows you to record audio at the same time. The one difference that you find between this and some of your other note-taking tools is that it does not link the audio to the notes that you write. It just records the audio and gives you that recording to go along with the notes. So that may not be the easiest thing in the world for some of our students to use. It may not be the best thing for some students, but it's certainly something worth looking into. When you want to take notes or when you want to record audio, you can see here there is a little red button for record. If you hit that, it starts recording the audio that you are taking at the time. And you can go ahead and come down in here and type your notes. You see there's no writing option, just typing options with the keyboard. Then if you want to go back, here's where it differs a little bit. If you want to go back and listen to this, then you would come up here and you would press the, let me just make sure the volume's turned up so you can hear it. We would go up here and press the play button. And it's going to start playing audio. And you can see right there under my cursor there's a 1 times button. If you hit that forward button, it's going to increase, or it's going to jump ahead 5 seconds. If we hit the 1 times, it will increase the speed of playback. And you're going to increase it up to 2 times before it jumps back to regular speed. So you can control the speed of playback with this. If we look up here under notes, you're going to see that there's a whole area where you can save notes. This little blue piece here, you can color code these notes as well. Let's go into settings and take a look at that. So there we go. You can see the settings popping up here. You've got these different categories, so you can color code them. You can change the style of the font just by tapping on the font there as well. Really just a very simple app. I would probably lean toward using this with, or using an app that links the notes to the recording as opposed to this. It can still be tough to find where you need to, or where in the recording things took place with this. I would think you'd have to kind of teach somebody that was taking notes in here while recording to look at the time code when they were going to write a note and note that in the notes what time they were talking about that, which kind of defeats the purpose because there are some other tools that allow you to jump right to that point. But overall, again, this is probably best if students are going to struggle with a lot of options. There's not very many options for this. You can email them when you're done with them, but this is AudioNotebook, and as always, if you have any questions on it, please feel free to email me at james-stachowiak@uiowa.edu. Thanks, everybody, and have a good day.
Right on it.
All right, let's wrap this one out. Hi everybody, I'm Jim Stahoviak, the Associate Director of the Iowa Center for Assistive Technology Education and Research, better known as ICATER, here in the College of Education at the University of Iowa. Today we're going to continue in our app webinar series by taking a look